Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, thrift store flips, clearance finds, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. I want to say welcome to everybody who has recently joined my channel and my YouTube family. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I want to thank you so much. And thank you so much for everybody who's coming over to spend some time with me today. And for those of you that have been around for a while, I greatly appreciate you. So today I have something fun for you guys. It's a Temu haul. But it's a little bit different than what everybody else has been showing because for me, it's all crafting stuff. So I ordered some goodies from Temu. My friend Constance from Butterfly Mama Creations and more sent me an invite, and they had this deal where essentially like I picked 10 items from like their screen of like items you can pick, and 6 of the 10 items were free. So I only had to pay for 4 items. So I bought some crafty stuff, so I thought I would show you guys, and let's go ahead and see what I got. So I did put prices on everything, and I did also print out what I purchased so I could give you guys a title. I will do my best to link in the description box below the items that I purchased in case you want to get some for yourself. But let's get started. So this first one is this really cute box here. This was $1.70. Let's see if I have the price on here. So this is called 60 sheets of high quality writing. No, hold on. That's not it. Oh, sorry. This is one box of 40 sheets of vintage label stickers for scrapbooking. Sorry. Anyway, so it's $1.70, and I love this box. It is so cute. Like, oh, I think I got something on my nose. Yeah, something on my nose. There's a fluff. Anyway, it's like a little matchbox. It's upside down. And then you pull it open. How flipping cute is that? And inside are, how many pieces do I said was in here? 40 pieces of these they're stickers. And they have different images on them. And they're different sizes. So like there's like little writing. There's like flowers. There's even some triangles. Look at that. Strawberry on there. There's like a ticket. It says, I don't know if you can tell, it says save the date. There's some circles. Oh, these would be right up my friend Ashley's alley. Ashley, if you're watching, look. Mushrooms. I'll have to put those aside for her. So yeah, and there's several more pieces in here. Oh, look, here's some more mushrooms. That all come in this box. So it's 40 pieces for $1.70, which is a pretty good deal, I'd say, for these stickers. I'll just put that to the side. Next up is, all right, so this was the other one. So this was $1.70 as well. This is called 60 sheets of high quality decorative paper. And this pattern is Green Mountain Dreams. And as I mentioned, you get 60 sheets. So I'll open that up so you could see. Look at all the pretty patterns. How cool is that? I mean, look at how pretty those are for $1.70. Now they're kind of thin, and Constance let me know that the reason they're thin and their deco paper is like, I guess for like decoupaging. If you wanted a decoupage, they're thin so they're easy to decoupage with. But I thought they were really pretty to paper craft with because I'm starting to do that. And junk journal. Have you guys heard of junk journaling? Like, it's kind of all the rage now, or all the rave now. And I'm going to start doing it. So I thought that would be fun to get some of these. So that's pretty much what most of these items are for. So this was $1.49. And let's see, so this is called Butterfly Far Mountain, and it's 30 pieces of letterpress note paper. This is also in a really cool like matchbox. And you open it up. Oops. And it's got all of these really like butterflies. Pretty, more butterflies. Pieces that you can use for like tags and for crafting. It's just super cool, guys. Like, just so pretty. And they're pretty good quality. They're not, honestly, I thought it'd be kind of cheap and cheesy. But it really wasn't. So I was pretty stoked about that with a lot of these items. So this here was $1.99. It's called Across Mountains and Seas. And this is 40 pieces of note paper. So it looks like that. And it's got all of these pieces of different style paper that you can craft with. I mean, that's so cool, right? For $1.99. And as I mentioned, 6 of these items were free. I don't recall which ones they were. So I ended up actually only paying like $8.37 because 6 of the items were free. So, and I got 10 items, so that's really cheap. That's like less than $1 an item. So that's pretty cool. This was $1.70. Then it's called Green Island. And it's 60 pieces of washi material paper. And this one is so cool. I really like this one. I love the vintage look. Like, you don't have to get all of this vintage kind of romantic kind of style. They have all sorts of different styles to choose from. But like, look, here's like it's a little bingo card. Oh, here's one. And like a little stamp. And what else we got? Like some money. Got some money, honey. You got a ticket. Hockey. Oh my goodness. My dad went to the Air Force Academy, and when I grew up, I lived outside of Denver. That's where I grew up. And my dad took me down to the Air Force Academy in the Springs, because it was like a 45-minute drive, to an Air Force hockey game. And it was so much fun. I had such a great time. Like, there was this huge fight. Like, the visiting team ended up like coming over to the Air Force side and like trying to beat up everybody, and like half of each team were like booted out through the game. And it was just, it was a lot of fun. But it was a lot of fun. I loved going to the hockey game. I only went once, but it was a good time. Like, it's something I'll always remember, because that was just like many, many years ago that I thought of that. And then, oh, big green bus service. It's like a bus ticket. So yeah. So fun memories doing that with my dad, watching hockey and watching the hockey players fight. But you know what? Is it really a hockey game if at least some of the players don't fight? Like, I feel like fighting is mandatory. It's like part of hockey. I feel like it goes hand in hand. Like, I feel like somebody's going to fight at some point in time. It's just going to happen. But anyway, so yeah, so that was fun. So like I said, so this was $1.70. What else we got? So this was $1.49. And it is called Palace of Versailles. It is a 30-piece pack of different kind of materials. So it says on the back it's note paper. I don't know if I can open this up so you can see. Oh, but look, there's mushrooms. I don't know if you could tell. There's mushrooms and pieces in there. And then this was $1.99. This is 40 pieces of plant and flower stickers in red. These are gorgeous, you guys. Really, really pretty. I kind of took a peek at some of this stuff when it came in, because like I couldn't help myself. I was like a little kid. I'm like, I gotta look. But like, look at how pretty these stickers are. Like, they're just so pretty. And there's all sorts, and they had different color schemes. So you don't, like I said, you don't have to get exactly what I got, but they had a lot of cool stuff. Oh, look, poppies. Poppies. And like a hibiscus. So yeah, so I got all of those, and like I said, these were, it was $1.99. How many pieces were in here? 40 pieces for $1.99. So like I said, they're clear, so you could really put them on anything. Oh, and also give you guys a heads up. So they have, if you go to the categories, they have like scrapbooking and crafting. But I found all of these, you guys don't in the office supply section. So if you go over to like home office and office supplies, that's where pretty much most of this stuff I found. So don't just limit yourself to like the crafting, scrapbooking area. Like go over, check out the home office supplies, because like I said, that's where I got the bulk of this stuff. Let's see, up next is $1.99, and this is 200 sheets of non-repeating note paper. So this is a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it's still, I still thought it was pretty cool. Look at that front. And then, like, look at all these different patterns that are on here. There's so much. So you could really do a lot with these little pieces of paper. Like I said, if you paper craft. Oh, look, there's the girl. That is so pretty. And there's 200 sheets. So there is quite, look, another really pretty girl. Quite a bit in there for $1.99. So I'm not mad about it, because I think this one was one of the freebie ones, but I might not get something like this again because it's kind of small, but I could still use it. And then this was $1.49. This is, you know what? I think this is one of the ones that wasn't on my receipt, but I bought it. It just says paper. That's all it says is paper. Because if you look on the back, like, that is not in a language I understand. But it's all these different sheets of paper. And these feel pretty, these aren't too bad. Oh, look at this one. Butterflies. So yeah, so you get quite a bit in here, which is pretty cool. And the textures, and it's actually pretty good. This paper is pretty good quality, so it's actually not thin. It's a pretty good thickness, if that makes any sense whatsoever. And then the last item I picked up for my daughter. It's not for me for paper crafting. It's for my daughter. It was $1.99, and they're calling it 50 pieces, more kinds of lazy, cute cartoon stickers. But my daughter loves this. It looks like Gutitama, which is the lazy egg. Look at me, so cute. Look, it's Gutitama. Oh, there's his bum. Let's see what else we got here. There we go. Like, they're so cute. Oh, no, he's crying. Oh, no, don't cry, Gutitama. Yeah, so my daughter, it's a sick Gutitama. My daughter is going to love these. They're so cute. I might have to keep a couple just because they're just adorable. Aren't they so cute? So yeah, so those are for my daughter. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Temu haul for craft items. A little something different than I know what other content creators are showing. Please comment down below. Let me know what your favorite item was that I got in my little Temu craft haul today. I'm curious as to what you think. Let me know, have you guys ordered anything from there? What do you guys think? You know, do you like it? Do you not? Or is there anything really cool that I should be looking out for? I don't have TikTok, so I don't know what all the trends are. But I'm always curious to see if there's like something cool that's like people are like, you gotta have this, it's super great. I'd like to know. So let me know if there's anything that I gotta have that I'm missing out on. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. It's really appreciated, and it's completely free. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, y'all. I'm at like 613 subscribers. Woo woo! Trying to get to 1,000, but you know what? Next stop is 700. And if you haven't entered, I have a 600 appreciation gift in my last video. Go check that out. You don't want to miss it. Go check it out. Go after we're done here and get in on that, and then I will be picking a winner next week in one of my videos. And I really appreciate you guys coming. I hope you have a fabulous day, and until next time, goodbye.